Okay, so I think this is the third song, and hopefully it's the last song that it's in D. And this is Oh Holy Night. So it starts on 2, 2 on D. So tingnan nyo ha, down, up lang. Doon tayo ha. Down ulit. Extended. It's in D, but yung D niya, ito yun, no? D on A, yung 3. Diba? Tapos, pwede nyo gawin, pagdating sa dulo, syempre, i-repeat yan. Tapos, A, 3 on E. Dikit na 2 sa 1. So, importante yung counting, no? Hindi pwedeng nagmamadali. Count pa rin. So, merong isang passage kanina na sabi ko, extended 3. Kung hindi kaya yung extended 3, pwedeng gamitin yung 4. So, halimbawa, ito yon. So, 0, 4, 3, 2, A, 1, 2, 2, 2. Pwedeng ganon. No? So, di mo? Pwede rin 3. So, yung 3 medyo mahirap pag sa bata kasi you have to play the third finger flat. Pero at least yun lang yung papracticein, di ba? Na flat, if a flatten. Okay?